In this video, I will share with you guys the untold secrets of artificial intelligence. The recent advancement in AI is just the tip of the iceberg. Let's start with the first untold secret of AI. Number 1. Emotional intelligence. At the moment, the AI lacks in understanding the human emotion, but that is the next target of the AI. So the machines will become emotionally intelligent as well. Overall, researchers are working vigorously to make simulated intelligence frameworks that can sympathize and answer our feelings in manners that were once the domain of science. Number 2 is disinformation. AI models can process a large amount of data and mimic human behavior. Hence, it can be used for large-scale disinformation. It can manipulate public opinion. AI-driven disinformation has extensive repercussions, undermining confidence in institutions, fostering societal upheaval, and potentially influencing the results of elections. It is a virtually undetectable silent killer. Number 3 is the replacing human job. Artificial intelligence is advancing rapidly, and it's not limited to automating manual labor or repetitive tasks anymore. Its capabilities have expanded significantly to encompass a wide range of functions. Shortly, AI may even replace roles like mine, white-collar jobs. You may have thought that white-collar jobs requiring innovation would be immune to AI takeover. However, consider the following examples. AI systems are now being trained to draft legal contracts, make medical diagnoses, handle investment portfolios, and even generate journalistic reports, music, and artwork. It's a significant shift to imagine that the skills we invest in throughout our lives for employment could potentially be replaced by AI in the future. Number 4. AI does not care about humans. AI will not demonstrate concern for our well-being. In the past decade, AI has made remarkable strides in intelligence, excelling in complex tasks and even outperforming humans in many areas. AI operates solely on algorithms, data, and mathematical calculations. It cannot feel emotions such as happiness, sadness, or love. It remains unaffected by our emotional states, whether we are content or suffering. It can be likened to an impressive machine capable of solving incredibly intricate problems but detached from the core of human experience. This raises a crucial question. Can we rely on AI to make decisions that respect our values and the dignity of sentient life? Astonishingly, 63% of AI experts are expressing apprehensions regarding the societal implications of AI. These highly knowledgeable individuals, who are leading the way in AI research, are sounding the alarm about this matter. By the year 2030, it is projected that artificial intelligence and automation will potentially take over more than 800 million jobs. This equates to roughly 1 in every 5 jobs globally. Number 5. AI machines are trained on massive amounts of data instead of ideas like humans. Large language models like ChatGPT are indeed a remarkable feat of technology, but they are fundamentally distinct from human minds. These massive AI systems, such as the one we are using now, have been trained on vast quantities of text, combing through books, articles, and websites to grasp patterns, knowledge, and comprehension. They've consumed enormous amounts of data, which empowers them to generate text, answer questions, and even engage in conversations. However, what's truly astonishing is that they lack the explicit understanding of the world that humans possess. Instead, they cleverly mimic our language and cognitive processes, producing outputs that can be strikingly human-like. Number 6. AI being used as a spy. Each click, search, and interaction online leave behind a digital trail, gradually constructing a comprehensive profile of your preferences and interests. It can even make predictions about your future actions. This process is akin to having an invisible observer closely tracking your digital activities. Every single minute, a whopping 3.8 million searches are performed on Google by an algorithm. That's a staggering 5.5 billion searches every day. Major corporations such as Google, Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, and others gather, retain, and scrutinize vast quantities of personal data. They are privy to your search queries, the items you purchase, the films you view, and even your most profound inclinations, almost akin to possessing a crystal ball that forecasts your every action. You might be wondering, what do these big companies do with all our information? Well, the answers could both surprise and interest you. These companies use your data to make their computer programs smarter, so they can show you ads that are just for you, suggest things you might like, and even influence the news and stuff you see online. It's like they create a unique online world to keep you interested and clicking on things. Number 7. The possibility of AI achieving sentience. The chances of AI becoming sentient are very slim. AI systems work according to their instructions and only learn from the information they've been given in their programming and training data. As of 2023, the most advanced AI can imitate human language, identify patterns, and even learn from data. However, they don't possess subjective experiences, emotions, or self-awareness. Now let me conclude with my opinion. To thrive in the age of AI, it's crucial to learn and adapt. Did you know that by 2025, the global AI market is expected to reach an astounding $390 billion? With such high financial stakes, the question arises, how can humanity excel in this AI era? The solution lies in harnessing the power of rapid progress and advancement.